guys! So I love to go shopping kind of in between seasons when there are nice sales going on for the previous season and the fashion for the next season is already kind of slowly trickling in. So I paid a little visit to Primark earlier this week, and today I thought I would show you what I got. I got a few things, nothing too crazy, but still. And of course I'm going to show you how everything looks on as well, so you get a little bit of a better feel for the items. Before I get started with the Primark stuff, I got one thing at H&M, and it is this sweater that I'm wearing right now, and I do believe I got this in this sale as well. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I did. And it's a beautiful black oversized sweater with a v-neck, and it's just so comfortable, and it's the perfect kind of like end of winter sweater because it's nice and warm but it's not too hot. And yeah, I just absolutely love this. You can never have enough sweaters, and I actually had to get rid of some earlier this week as well. I kind of went through my closet to weed out all the old stuff, and I had to get rid of some black sweaters that just were so worn. Like the knit wasn't nice anymore and the color was faded, and yeah, they just weren't good anymore, so I had to get rid of those. But now I got this one to replace it. Okay, so let's get started with the actual Primark stuff. I went to get some stuff that I needed, and then I did some kind of like impulsive purchases. So one of the things I actually went to look for was a new pair of leather trousers. So I had a pair of leather trousers for years and years and years from H&M, I believe, but the outside layer just kind of started to come off and it didn't look any good anymore. Faux leather, of course, I'm talking about. So I went looking for a new pair, and I found this at Primark, and it was actually on sale. So it's this pair right here, and it's a beautiful kind of matte leather. I'm not a big fan of the whole kind of super shiny leather trend right now, but I do like this kind of matte, more subtle leather for a bottom. So yeah, I got these. They fit really nicely, and they were actually ridiculously inexpensive because I believe I paid €7 for these on sale. So next up is another thing I found on sale in one of these sales sections, and it is this scarf. This is a really cute pink, kind of creamy pink, which is my color all the way. You guys know this is one of the colors I wear the most, and it is kind of like knitted on the outside with a nice little print, and then on the inside it has this lovely, super soft and warm fuzzy material. So it is super warm. It has 2 layers, and let me just take this off of the plastic actually. So it's one of those kind of like cowl type scarves, and it is so warm. A winter usually lasts a long time here in the Netherlands, so I will definitely get my use out of this one. And it is such a comfortable thing, guys. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to wear this on my bike and just be all warm and cozy. I got this for €3 on sale. So the next item is something that I have been looking for a while, but not specifically from any store, but I kind of bumped into this in Primark, and I thought this would be the perfect time to purchase it. It is one of those super packable puffy jackets. So it is just a very simple, not very elegant, let's be honest, puffy jacket, but it is super warm. And I like this because you can pack it into a little baggie. I believe it comes with one. Yeah, you can pack it into this, and then you can just carry it with you. And I get cold so quickly. I am one of those people that is always cold, even when it's so hot out. Especially when I go camping with scouting, with the kids, or just with the adults. I am often so cold, even though I think I came prepared. Often turns out I didn't. So I would love to just have one of these things that I can pack into a little baggie like this and just take with me, just in case I do get cold. Or when it is really freezing outside in winter, I could even actually just wear this underneath my regular coat, because it is really quite compact. So I just thought this would be a really handy thing to have. And it has a hood as well, which is great. And this was €18. They have it in different colors as well, but I thought black would be the most neutral. You know how I feel about my blacks. So on that topic, I also got myself a new pair of black jeans. Black jeans never last super long for me. I can usually stretch them about a year or a year and a half, and then they just start to fade and get looser around the ankles, and they just don't look as good anymore. So I got rid of 2 pairs of black jeans that I've had for longest time, like years, literally years. And I replaced them with, of course, the leather trousers and then these black jeans. It's just your most simple pair of black skinny jeans, but yeah, these are always good to have. I wear black jeans pretty much every single day. They go with everything. I love my black jeans, so new pair of those, nice and snug fit. And these were 15 euros. I used to buy these super inexpensive jeans from Primark, like the 7-8 euro ones. Yeah, I do notice those fade and stretch really quickly, so I'm gonna give the slightly more expensive ones a go. Then I got this pair of fashion socks, is what they call it. They're just kind of like higher socks with ruffles. There are just some outfits that this looks really cute with, especially when you're wearing boots or like Mary Jane's or something. And then it's like a shorter skirt. I think this looks so cute. So I really wanted a pair of these, and I believe this is actually 2 pairs. It's in 2 pairs, and it has a really cute like knitted print on here as well. Or no, it's obviously not a print if it's knitted. Knitted pattern. That's the word I was looking for. I think these will be really comfortable and just really, really cute. So yeah, $2.50 for 2 pairs of fashion socks. And then the last thing I got is this dress, and this was from the new spring collection. Oh guys, I love this. This khaki green-ish color is kind of my new color. I go through phases with colors. Black is always my color, but then I went through a period where I wear a lot of this kind of like creamy pink, like this color that this scarf has. I went through a short period of like darker blues. I have found myself gravitating towards kind of like muted greens. I think it looks really nice with my hair color, this type of green. So I've been looking for more things that have this color, and I saw this dress and I fell in love, and I think it looks really good on, so I had to take it. I absolutely love this. It has a pink flower print. It is very long, kind of like ankle length, and it has buttons all the way down the front. And I think it looks kind of vintagey, cute. It's so light, so comfortable. This is going to be perfect for summer. I hope I'll be able to wear it soon, but I'm afraid this is going to have to go into the back of my closet for a while until I can wear it. But I just couldn't leave this there. I love this so much. This was, let's see, 17 euros. Really, really cute dress. Love this. So also a few days ago I got invited to the NYX NYX event. They were like showcasing a bunch of new products, and I received a goodie bag from them. So I thought I would just kind of share with you what was in there as well, because there's some new releases in there, new products that are really exciting. This is not sponsored in any way. I just really like NYX. It's nice and affordable and great quality makeup. So let me just share with you what I have in here. So first of all, there is the Love You So Mochi eyeshadow palette, and this is the color Sleek and Chic, and it has, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 colors. 10. Wow, numbers are the bane of my existence. 10 colors, and these are really pretty, kind of like peachy pastels with a dark gray and a purple in there as well. Really beautiful colors. And the cool thing about this is with the whole kind of I Love You So Mochi collection is the eyeshadows are bouncy, so you can kind of like make a dent. I don't really want to do it because I'm gonna ruin the palette, but you can make a dent in them, and it's kind of cool if you like to play around with it. But yeah, really nice metallics, so I can't wait to play around with those. So from the same collection, Love You So Mochi, there is this highlighting palette, and this is the color Arcade Glam, and it has 3 colors with the same kind of cushiony consistency, texture. 3 colors, really beautiful. There's like a golden highlight with kind of like pink and gold duochrome shimmers, and there's this pink one which has a little bit of a silvery sheen, and then this one is kind of like a light cream with a kind of pearlescent finish. So really nice, and again you can kind of like, you can see I made a dent here in this one. Yeah, it's kind of cool. From the Holographic Halo collection, this is a cream eyeliner, and it is the color Frost. And I thought this would be a white, but now I'm actually not certain. It may be silver. Oh, it is white actually. It's a very shimmery white, really nice color. Just a little bit of foil over the top. So the packaging says you can use this as an eyeliner or blend it out as a kind of like very intensely shimmery unicorn cream eyeshadow. So let me just swatch this. Woo! Oh, that looks amazing. Oh, that is really, really cool. Has a beautiful kind of like pearlescent glow. I'm not sure if you'll be able to tell. Really, really pretty. Alright, so from the same collection, Holographic Halo, I have the finishing powder in the color Mermazing. And this is a, again, kind of duotone pearlescent shimmery powder. I'm gonna open this all over my black jeans, I'm sure. So let me just pop some in the cap so you can see the glow. Okay, so it looks like a white powder now, and then yeah, and then the blue and the pinks come out. It's just a really beautiful pearlescent kind of duochrome sheen. I think this would be really nice as a highlighter or for like an eyeshadow or something. I personally wouldn't use this all over the face, but you know, to each their own. But I have a eye product, and this is the Strictly Vinyl eyeliner, and this is in the color Dauntless. It should be a really dark kind of navy color, a really intense glossy eyeliner, so I'm really excited about this one. Oh, maybe it's gray actually. Looks gray in here. Oh yeah, definitely gray. Oh cool. I've never had a gray eyeliner before. Oh, that is really nice. I love that. That's really cool actually. I'm gonna play around with this. It does look navy on the packaging, but it's definitely grey in real life. So then I have a bunch of lip products. You guys know lip products are my favorites. I got a bunch of those. So first there's the Strictly Vinyl again lip gloss. And I went for a daring blue color. I think, if it's not grey again. This is the color Rebel. And no, I'm pretty sure this is actually blue. This collection has some really unique colors in there, and I wanted to get something that I don't have yet, so I went for this kind of bluish purpley color, and it is the coolest thing. Oh my gosh, look at that, guys. I love this so much. I'm gonna try out a bunch of these, by the way, so if you're interested, expect a few reviews on my blog soon. So then I got one of the duochromatic shimmer lip glosses, and I got the color Crushing It, which is another kind of like pearlescent duochrome lip gloss, and all of these are really cool. Oh, so intense. I love this. I hope you can see this at all. It's really cool. Next up is the lipstick I'm actually wearing, and this is the Soft Matte Metallic Lip Cream in the color Budapest. And it is a beautiful shimmery, or not shimmery, it's a metallic red, but the metallicness is red as well. So it's really elegant. I don't really like when lipsticks are metallic and it's like a silver sheen, but this is a red kind of metallicness, and it is so beautiful. Absolutely love this color, and I think it suits me well as well. So pretty. Love this. Absolutely love this. Okay, and then I got a bunch of the new Powder Puff Lippies. So these are new, and it's a really unique kind of formula with the applicator. The applicator is like a powder puff sponge, and then the formula is supposed to come out creamy and then wear like a powder. And I have worn one of these, and it does feel really strange on lips. It's kind of a feeling you have to get used to, but they are really pretty. I saw that Tati actually uploaded a video on this. I still have to watch that one, but yeah. I got 4 of those. So I have the color Cool Intentions, and let's see, this is Squad Goals, a beautiful pink color. And this is Moody, which is kind of more like a purpley tone, and Group Love, which is a pretty true red. Love my reds. So really excited to try all of these out as well, and I will definitely write a review on these. Yeah, that is everything. So I think that concludes my winter, early spring haul. So I really hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If you did enjoy, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for loads more videos. I will have another video here that you may also enjoy. You can go watch next. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye!